Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to add beat and the CapCut PC apps. So to make beat and make cut audio and the video, you can select the audio and then you can select auto beat to add the beat automatically, and you can select mix cut to add the beat manually. So I'm going to select beat. So up here the beat 1 or beat 2, according to you, yeah, as you like, you can select a beat 1 or beat 2, for example beat 1, and as you can see the beat has been added to your audio automatically. And just select your videos or images that you want to edit, and just match cut the clip with the audio, just follow the beat. Alright, that's it. Okay, that's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. So thank you so much for watching.